Israel's Independence Day is a time for great celebration and for justified reasons. We take great pride in Israel's many amazing successes. For some 2,000 years, the Jewish people had been stateless, powerless, and defenseless. After 2 millennia, we returned to our historic homeland, ingathered the exiles, reestablished our independence and our sovereignty. Yet we didn't only create a state, we have brought into this homeland a people that has been scattered around the globe. We have defended ourselves against the attacks of hostile neighbors, overcoming threats faced by no other country. We've built a vibrant democracy in which freedom is sacrosanct. We guarantee equality under the law and the rights for every one of our citizens, Jew and non-Jew alike. We've created a robust economy, a global technological superpower. We've signed peace treaties with 2 of our Arab neighbors, while we quietly talk with many more. And while doing all this, we've enjoyed the passionate support of so many friends around the world, Jews and non-Jews alike. All of you who have united to speak out for Israel's right to live in a secure and peaceful state. This support from friends like you warms our hearts. And along with Israel's vibrant democracy, our dynamic free economy, our strong army, our commitment to our shared values, all this forms the foundation of our national strength. So on this Independence Day, I want to thank Israel's many friends around the world for your steadfast support for the one and only Jewish state. Thank you.